Hey everyone, this is Saravanan here, Senior Product Manager from Enterprise Switching team. Today, I have Kanu, Director of Product Management, taking care of Fabric Solutions as well as Secure Networking Solutions. Kanu, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So, can we talk about few buzzing things that I'm hearing about secure networking area, which is Security Service Insertion? Can you tell me what it is and what problem does it solve?
Absolutely. So Security Service Insertion, also called as SSI, I would say it's not just an incremental improvement in our roadmap, but it's an architectural shift in how large-scale security designs are designed and operated today. And there are a bunch of issues it solves for. Traditionally, customers use policy-based routing, which tends to redirect a bunch of traffic from their entire VLANs, VRFs to a centralized firewall for inspection, which is both inefficient and not scalable. Plus also customers today tend to use SXP tunnels, which comes with its own sets of scaling limitations with respect to how many VRFs it can carry. And these are fundamentally large categories of problems that SSI will solve for.
So Kanu, how does SSI or Security Service Insertion enhance network security?
Good question. With SSI enabled, traffic is inspected once at ingress and it's identity based. This is an important differentiation. It is no longer topology oriented. It is identity based and it is redirected to the right set of service IPs of the firewall sitting out of the border in a very deterministic manner. The true innovation here, which I really want the audience to know, is that how it is handled natively within the fabric with the help of LISP Map Server. The firewall IP addresses are registered natively inside the LISP Map Server and attributed to the same fabric semantics. That means each fabric IP address is associated with a unique VRF and with a RLOC IP address. So traditionally, customers are having to use static-based routing to redirect the traffic to a specific firewall sitting outside the fabric node. But here, the LISP Map Server knows exactly where these firewall IPs sit and what is the best way to reach them. So that is very unique to our Security Service Insertion solution. So in summary, this is identity-based, it's control plane aware, and very deterministic in nature because customers can now selectively pick the traffic flows based on the source and destination SGTs and redirect them to the correct firewall service they want inspected. I would also like to add that how we are operationally managing it. It will be delivered as a workflow solution on the on-prem Catalyst Center and with the policy intent being stored on ICE as our policy services engine.
Sounds amazing. So when do you think customers can get hold of this service insertion?
Actually, very shortly, it will be available on Catalyst Center 3.16 release, compatible with iOS XE 17.18 too.
That's a lot of fun. Thanks everyone for watching. If you would like to understand more about Security Service Insertion, please do check out our configuration guides available for iOS XE 17.18 to our Catalyst Center 3.1.6 release.
Thank you.